thank you so much for coming to Benjamin Proud House. This house was built in 1932 for Benjamin Proud. He was the treasurer for the Bedford Rayon company, which later emerged into the Manomet Mills. This house has had several owners since then, and as you can see as you take the tour around the house, this house has been lovingly maintained down to the last detail. The floors are just beautiful plank and peg, and they continue all throughout the first floor. The woodwork is all original, right down to the beautiful hardware on all the cabinets and doors, which go so well with the house. This room over here behind you was originally a den. They converted it into a fun little tiki bar room where you can just kick back. And as you can see, Maureen is a great collector of memorabilia and nostalgia, and has managed to put that huge collection together beautifully so that it doesn't look scattered or haphazard. It looks well thought out. And she's done a beautiful job. The bar in there was always there, but it was only a doorway. Okay, and they left the bottom half of the door and just opened up one side. They have some lovely antiques in this room. That the desk over there is just beautiful, and that looks like a surveyor's tripod, and it looks pretty old to me. As well as, you know, different desks and pieces that you'll see as you continue on in the tour.